Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restart your TV with your Roku remote. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to press home 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then up key, and then 2 times. And just stopped immediately. And it just turned black. Literally just turned black right now. And then the screen is red. This would take a lot. And there you go. That took quite a while. So if you loved it, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.